Hey, Jimmy from Cuff and Stuff. Well, as you can see, I guess you could call this a location cook. We're on the East Coast, standing on Jekyll Island at the beach this week. And I didn't want to miss out on doing a cook down here. So today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how in a rental cottage we get together. We always buy fresh seafood. I'm going to do some fried shrimp just for the family for supper. So hang tight. Okay, so what I have here is 5 pounds of fresh off the boat today shrimp. Now these are mixed. This was dumped literally right out of the basket on the boat into a bag. So I'm gonna clean them, and I'm going to show you an easy way to do this that you probably have never seen. But if you'll take this shrimp and take a fork and run the fork just under the shell and just keep pushing and push this all the way out the tail. And if you look, you don't have to twist, pull, or anything. See how this came right out? And you see that's all I've got left on this fork. And there's the first one. And you just keep going. Just take this fork and go right up the side, just inside, and just keep pushing and push till the end of the fork comes out the tail, and then pull the shrimp out. And if you look and see, that's a whole shrimp. It's now deveined. Just pick it off the side. It's going to be there somewhere, probably in the shell that's left over. And that's how a Carolina boy deveins. It's not butterflied, but it's nothing if you want to take a knife and butterfly it. Now, I got 5 pounds to do, but rather than using a knife or doing it by hand takes you half the afternoon to get this ready for supper, I'll have this 5 pounds done in just a few minutes. Okay, well, you see, this is pretty quick and easy. You can shell and devein a pretty good size bowl of shrimp. Again, this was 5 pounds that I'm doing. And you see just how quick and easy I have just with a fork. Where this technique originated from, I don't know. and there may be a lot of people that use this. I've never seen a lot of people do it like this. I have a little gadget that was made to do this, but I'm at the beach and it's at home. I have used it, and there's the shrimp that I've been looking for. That's the last one. So let's get him pulled out, rinsed off, and that, friends, is 5 pounds of Atlantic coast shrimp. Okay, well, here's what we're using. This is house poultry. This is a seafood. Hope you could see that. And basically all we're doing is just dropping, there's enough moisture on this shrimp. I'm not battering it, and then I'm knocking it off. And let me go over and show you. Okay, so we're just gonna take and shake it off, and we're gonna take and throw these. Now we're using a deep fryer. So we didn't have to use the pan in the stove. We had access to this little fryer. We've already done the fries, but I'm not gonna do a ton at one time. That way they'll be separate and be a nice golden brown. Let's get some in here. I'm gonna shake these off good. Got all of them, all right. That's the first batch we'll take, and I'm just gonna put him down in the grease, shake him up a little bit, put the cover on him. Let's see, there we go. And we're gonna let them fry for a couple of minutes, and we'll bring you back when we take them out. All right, there we go. Pick him up and let him drain just a second. Let's dump him up. And there's the first batch. All right, let's do the rest of it, and we'll bring you back and show you what we got. All right, well, here's the last of it. Okay, well, we'll let them cool. There you go. Where old shrimp? A little bit, still hot, hot, hot. Nothing to do, I'm going in. Just right. You come to the beach, you wanna do some seafood, go buy you some fresh shrimp, batter them up, cook some fries, whatever else you want to go with them, put them in a deep fryer. You can go to Walmart and buy a deep fryer that works perfect. They're not expensive. Leave it in the beach house if you don't want to haul it back home. Take it with you, whatever. Thanks for sticking around. If you haven't already, how about hit the circle on this side? We'll have another video for you on this side. Until next time, hang tight.